Why exercise with me when everything on YouTube is free? Hi, Anne from Exercise with Care here. There are a lot of great exercise videos on YouTube and for free. My question to you is, how do you feel as you do those exercise programs? Do you feel a little bit off balance? Maybe you skip some of the exercises they do or even fast forward? Are you hesitant about joining an exercise class? Moving into movement is your bridge into doing any type of exercise you want. We will make sure that every joint is moving at its full range of motion. Feel how simple, fun movements lead not only to better coordination, but a feeling of being more alert and focused as you go through your day. Feeling more grounded and taller will lead to a sense of stability, balance, and strength. When you register for Moving into Movement, the rest of your summer will be spent doing all the things you love with the people you love. You can exercise on Zoom, in the park, or go back to the gym. Register today. Bring a friend. Get your basic tools that you need to go out and conquer every exercise program there is.